Welcome to Sanjeevani Education Group. Sanjeevani Education Group is a IIT NEET coaching hub which is renowned for producing the rankers in different competitive exams from national level 11th and 12th JEE NEET, Standard 10 NTSC MTSC, 6th and 9 Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik exam, 5th and 8th scholarship exam, 7th Olympiads along with IIT NEET Foundation for all classes. We have experienced faculty who focus on the academic development of students. So dear parents, hurry up. For admission, visit Sanjeevani Education Group, plot number 13, Aditya Nagar, Gadkhera, Aurangabad, or call 95112 70135 or 95112 66680.
Hello dear students, welcome you all. Yesterday we have seen the definition of functions as a set of ordered pairs, function as a correspondence between two sets, and fundamental difference between relation and function. Now yesterday we have taken one example. In that we have seen that which are the functions and which are not. Now we'll take one example. Let set A having elements, we write example number 1. Let set A having elements -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and Z be set of all integers and F from A to Z is defined by let this function be defined by f of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Now student, the question is find the range of f. First one, find the range of f, and second, pre-image of elements first one 6, then -3 and 5. Getting? So we have to find now range of f, and then we have to find the pre-image of 6, -3 and 5. Getting? Now student, first the elements from the set A, where set A is a domain set. Now for f from A to Z, this set A is a domain set and Z set is what? Yes, it is codomain set. Now we have to find the range of f. Now student, in set A there are finite elements that are what? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now for these all elements, which are the images for each element from the set, so that image set will be the range set. By this diagram you will get now for -2 what will be the value of f of -2. It will be the image for -2. Then f of -1, f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2 we have to find. Getting? Any doubt in this? Now student, okay, now it is, yes, it is correct. Now see, now what we have to find, so one by one we'll find the value now. F of -2, f of -1, f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2. Getting? So first we'll find here f of x is x square minus 2x minus 3 is given. So first one, for first question we'll find f of -2. Now it is -2 square, -2 into -2 -3. So it is equal to -2 square is 4, minus minus plus 2 into 2 is 4 minus 3. So it is equals to 4 plus 4, 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So f of minus 2 is 5, means minus 2 is related to element 5 from the set of, it is from the set A and this is from the to the set of integers. Okay. Okay, so first we have found. Now next f of minus 1. Now it is minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3, because negative was there. So solve it properly. Minus 1 square is 1. Okay, minus minus plus 2 minus 3. So 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So f of minus 1 is 0. So minus 1 is related to 0. Getting any doubt? Set A and this is set Z. Now, is it visible, student? Now I will shift the writing pad. Okay, is it visible? Yes. Now third one, C part. So here f of 0 we have to find here. So 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 3. So this first two terms will be obviously 0 minus 3. It is equals to minus 3. Means 0 is related to minus 3. Getting? Now 3 elements we have seen. Now we'll see the next one. I will again shift the writing pad. Is it okay? Yes. So what we have to find now? We have found f of minus 2, f of minus 1, and now will f of 0 also we have. Now f of 1. Now f of 1 is also 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 2 minus 3. It is 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 3, that is equals to minus 4. f of 1 is minus 4. So 1 is related to minus 4. Getting any doubt, students? Now the last one, f of 2. So it is 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 square is what? 4. 2 into 2 is 4 and minus 4 as it is minus 3. Means minus sign as it is and 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. It is equals to minus 3. So what is f of 2? It is minus 3. Okay, sorry. 2 is related to minus 3. Now student, for f from A to Z, here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 related to. Now if this will be the set of integers, and now here the range set will have, this is the range set, this is the domain, sorry, codomain set, this is the domain set. Okay, so what is the image of 2? Minus 2. Image of minus 2 is 5, 0, minus 3. 5, 0, minus 3. It is minus 4 and it is minus 3. Now student, here the range set will have, range set of function f will have the elements 5, 0, minus 3, minus 4, and here also minus 3. So yes, is it correct? 2 square, yes, minus 3, and for 0 also it is minus 3. Okay, so no need to write this minus 3 again. So the first range of f is a set having elements minus 4, minus 3, 0 and 5. Getting, student? Now how to find? Just put the values in values of the variable in a given function and you can easily find it. Okay, so the next question, is it okay? I have shifted the writing pad. Okay, is it correct? It is correct. Now the second question, pre-image to find pre-image of 6, minus 3 and 5. Okay, now students, for finding pre-image of 6, minus 3 and 5, these all three elements should be the images for the set A elements. Now we have to find set A elements for which these are 3, 6, minus 3 and 5. These 3 elements will be the image. Now we have to find the pre-image. Here we have to find the pre-images. Now if this is the f of x, this side all x elements will be there, and in a codomain set means in a range set f of x elements will be there. Now we know f of x, we have to find the value of x. Getting, student? Okay, we know f of x, we have to find the value of x. So that for that x value we are having the images 6, minus 3 and 5. Getting? So first one, let f of x is equal to 6. So what we have? X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 6. Is it correct? Function is yes, x square minus 2x minus 3. Now student, so this we can write x square minus 2x minus 3 minus 6 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. So in 10th standard we have seen how to find the root of the quadratic equation. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 9. Getting? So we have these all three values, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to minus 9. So we know that students, x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, whole thing divided by twice a. Now what is b square? B square minus 4ac we can find here, or we'll take next page for solving this. This also we can use. Okay, so we have now a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is it okay now? Yes. A is 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 9. So b square minus 4ac equals to b is minus 2, a is 1 and c is minus 9. So b square, that is minus 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 9. So minus 2 square is 4, minus and minus plus, 4 9s are 36. So it is equals to 40, not equal to 0. So the given quadratic equation is having real roots. Okay. So therefore a is equals to minus b, minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of 40 upon 2 into 1. So it is 2 plus or minus square root of 4 tens are 40. So 10. So it is 10 into 4 upon 2. So 2 plus or minus 2 we can take out, root 10 upon 2. Now this 2 we can take common. So 1 plus or minus root 10 upon 2 is there. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what we have? 1 plus or minus square root of 10. Now student, this 1 plus or minus square root of 10 is not, it does not belongs to the real numbers. What we can say, it is a, this 1 plus or minus root 2. Now we have taken the function f from set a to z, not on real number. So in this is the real number, but it does not belongs to the set z. Now student, for 6, what we were finding? The pre-image of 6. Pre-image of 6. Now there is, if x value we are getting x plus or minus root 10. So for x equal to 1 plus or minus root 10, there does not exist, means for x equals to 1 plus or minus root 10, but this does not belongs to set A only, because set A having elements only minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, and so there is no pre-image for 6. For f of x equals to 6, we are having x equals to plus or minus, means for f of x equals to 6, we have x equals to 1 plus minus root 2 and this value does not belongs to A. So therefore there is no pre-image, of element 6. Getting? Any doubt, student? Now we have to find next pre-image of 3. Now to find pre-image of minus 3. So let f of x equals to minus 3, which implies x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to minus 3. So minus 3. Okay. So this minus 3 will get cancelled. So x square minus 2x equal to 0. So we can take x common, it will be x minus 2 in bracket. So we have the product x into x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore either x equal to 0 or x equals to 2. And 0, 2 belongs to set A. Therefore pre-image of minus 3. Therefore pre-images of minus 3 are 0 and 2. Getting? Is it visible, student? Or here we can write, see, this part is visible and 0, 2 belongs to A. So pre-images of minus 3 are 0 and minus 2. So therefore 0 and 2 having the same image in set Z. Set A elements 0, 2 having same image in set Z, that is minus 3. Getting? Any doubt, student? Now we'll see the pre-image of what? 5. Pre-image of 5 we will find. So it is let fx, here also we'll consider the function fx equals to 5 and then we'll find the value of, let f of x equals to 5. Therefore x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 5. So this will be x square minus 2x minus 8 minus 3 minus 5 will be minus 8 equal to 0. So here also we need multiplication minus 8. So minus 4 into 2 if we will take, so minus 4 plus 2 will be same minus 2 only. So here only no need to use the formula. So it is equals to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Because minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 and minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Getting? So we have now x in bracket x minus 4. Okay, so x square minus 4x will be there, plus 2 in bracket x minus 4 equal to 0. So what we have? One is x minus 4 and another is x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 or x equals to minus 2. But x equal to 4 does not belong to set A. Set A is the domain set. So therefore x equals to minus 2 belongs to A is pre-image of element 5. Getting? Any doubt, student? So therefore minus 2 is related to 5 and that is in a set Z and minus 2 was in set A. So we were finding the images of 6, minus 3 and 5, sorry, only 5. So for 6 there is no pre-image. For minus 3 there is 0 and 2, we have seen in the last. Yes, it is 0 and 2, and for 5 it is minus 2. Getting? Any doubt, student? So you can write the required answer. There is no pre-image of 6. Second, 0 and 2 are pre-images of minus 3. Third one, minus 2 is a pre-image of 5. Getting student? Any doubt? So here there is no pre-image of 6 that we were finding, and 0 and 2 both are the pre-images of -3, and -2 is a pre-image of 5. Getting? Any doubt? Now we'll start with the next question. So the next question is, I'll take out these pages. In the next question, the function f, I will adjust this now. Yes. Second question, example number 2. The function f from R to R is defined by, now see this, defined by, see this properly. Now here 3 expressions are given for one function, that is 3x minus 2, one is 1, second one is 1, and third one is 4x plus 1. Here the condition is if x is less than 0, here if x is equal to 0 and if x is greater than 0. Now student, first time you are observing this function, means every time we are seeing function as a linear equation or quadratic equation or cubic, whatever, but only one expression it is there for the function. Now we have here the x equal to 0 point they have considered, and for this point we have 3, means for x less than 3, for x equal to 3 and x greater than 3. There are 3 expressions. So here we can draw a real number line. On this we can mention x equal to 0 part, x less than 0 and x greater than 0. So for x equal to 0, 1 is the value of f of x. Here x is there and here f of x is there. For x less than 0, 3x minus 2. For x equal to 0, 1. And for x greater than 0, there is the expression 4x plus 1. Get it? So write it properly. If you want, you can do the rough or directly also you can solve. So the question is, before the question only I have explained this. Find, here we can write, or find f of 1, f of minus 1, f of 0 and f of 2. Now these all 4 images of 1, minus 1, 0 and 2 respectively we have to find. Now I have explained this, so this we can write. So we know that 0, 2 is greater than 0, 1 is greater than 0 and minus 1 is less than 0. So for this you can use, so therefore f of 1 is equals to, for finding f of 1, 1 is greater than 0. So for f of 1 you can write, for finding f of 1 we will take f of x equals to 4x plus 1 as 1 is greater than 0. Getting? So f of 1 is 4 into 1 plus 1, that is equals to 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Getting student? Any doubt? Now f of minus 1. For finding f of minus 1 we will take f of x is equals to what? Minus 1 is less than 0. So we will take 3x minus 2 as minus 1 less than 0. So this is equals to 3 into minus 1 minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2 is equals to minus 5. So f of minus 1 is 5. F of 1 is 5. Getting? Is it visible student? Yes. I will shift the pad. Okay. So 1, 2, minus, now f of 0. At f of 0, what is the value? F of 0 is 1 as it was given. Okay. Now f of 2 we have to find. F of 2. For finding f of 2 we will take f of x is equals to 4x plus 1 as 2 is greater than 0. So 4 into 2 plus 1, 4 into 2 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, that is equals to 9. So f of 2 is 9. So what we have now? F of 1, is it visible? Yes. So f of 1 is 5, f of minus 1 is minus 5, f of 0 is 1, and last one, f of 2 is 9. Any doubt, student? Any doubt? So here the expression, there were three expressions for one function. In that they have given the condition for x less than 0, x equal to 0 and x greater than 0. And for this, by taking these expressions, we have found the values for f of 1, f of minus 1, f of 0 and f of 2. Means the images of 1, minus 1, 0 and 2. Getting? Any doubt? Okay. Now we'll take the third question. Now in a third question, we have to, it is given, write the question. Example number 3. Let f from R to R and fx is defined by f of x is equal to x square. So determine, we'll complete the question. Determine first range of f, second one set of x such that f of x is equals to 4, third one y such that f of y is equals to minus 1. Getting? Now here the function is given f of x equals to x square. So student, now here they have not given the specific set, it is the infinite set of real numbers is given. Now first one, for finding range of f, now we have f of x equals to x square and function fx is on set of real numbers. Okay. Now we have f of x equals to x square and function f of x is on set of real number. See student, for every x belongs to R, whether the x will be positive, negative or 0, x square is always positive. Therefore x square is always positive real number. Means x square always belongs to R plus union with 0. Yes or no? Okay. So why I have taken R plus means it will consider only positive real numbers, is always positive or 0. We should write here properly, or 0. Always positive real number or 0. Okay. So x square, because at x equals to 0 we have x square 0, so we have to consider that also, because we should not forget origin. At origin what will be the image of the given element. Okay. So for every x we have x square belongs to R plus. So what is the range of f then? So here domain is set of real numbers, codomain is also set of real numbers, but the range of f is R star, where you can write here R star is R plus union with 0. Getting student? Any doubt in this? So range of the square function is always positive reals with 0. Getting? Any doubt? Now the next is, place is there, yes. The next is second one. We have to determine set of x such that fx is 4. So here f of x equals to 4. What is f of x? X square equals to 4. So when we will take x, so it will be plus minus square root of 4. So it is equals to plus minus 2. So x is having, if f of x is 4, there are two pre-images for 4. So x is equals to plus minus 2. So here x, here f of x. So if f of x is 4, there are two pre-images. One is positive and one is negative. Now here the definition of function doesn't fail here, because for each element of fx there is only one image in a codomain set. Getting? Any doubt? Now next, what we have to find? Or here also space is there. Here we can write third one. F of what? F of y, where f of y we have to find where f of y is minus 1. So now student, here f of y is equals to minus 1 is given. So it means that y square is minus 1. Yes, and for every y belongs to R, y square is always non-negative. Yes, we can write here non-negative, because in non-negative 0 also comes. So y square is always non-negative. So therefore this set of y such that f of y equals to minus 1 is equals to empty set. Getting, student? Any doubt in this? So in this way we have seen now function definition yesterday only we have discussed, and 3 examples we have seen. In this we have found the range and the images of the given element. Getting? So the next part will discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you.